Hey y'all, Dana here. Let's turn this beautiful strawberry into a fresh strawberry pie. Coming right up. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our eye heating. I'm making 2 pies, so we're making 2 cups of sugar, 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then we gotta have some water. I'm doubling my recipe, but I'll put the recipe below and you'll see what it is. So we got the water going in there, and now we just gotta do some stirring. Y'all, this is a fresh strawberry pie, and this is really easy because you don't even have to cook the crust. You can do one of these graham cracker crusts. It's really good and really easy. Y'all, strawberries, I went and got strawberries this morning. Here they are. And some of them are gone. I wonder what happened to them. Well, I might have ate a few. But anyway, I've got to have 4 cups of fruit here. Now remember, I'm making 2 pies, but the recipe that I put for you below will have 1 pie. Let me show you where to get that recipe. In my cookbook, Happiness is Homemade, y'all, it's available on Amazon. It'll come right to your house. And in the book, it's called Fresh Peach Pie. But all you gotta do is substitute strawberries for the peaches. So you can use this for strawberries or peaches. It's a really easy pie, really good. So what the directions say is we've got to get this going and we've got to cook it and stir it until it is clear. So you cook over medium heat until it is clear. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Cook over medium heat until it's clear. So I'm gonna let that heat just a minute, and I'm gonna show you how to fix your strawberries. Of course, you have to wash them. And then you gotta cut the top off, just like so. And then you just chop it up. Now I need 4 cups, and that's what I'm doing. Taking care of the strawberries. These are so pretty. These were in the field early this morning, and now I'm turning them into a pie. Y'all, this is easy. You need to get the ingredients and make you one. You can keep stuff like this on hand. Let me stir a little bit. All right, I gotta cook this over medium heat until it starts turning clear. And I gotta finish getting my strawberries cut up. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, now this is getting really thick. We gotta let it get a little more clear. So I'm just gonna keep stirring and cooking. It's very thick. See how thick that is? It's almost like jelly. So what we're gonna do now is add the next step. So we're gonna use the juice of 1 lemon per pie. So remember, I'm doing 2 pies. So this will be the juice of 2 lemons, and we need a half a stick of butter per pie. So I'm doing 2 pies, so I need a whole stick. I know y'all were gonna ask what kind of butter you're using. Use what you got, okay? Today I have salted, so that's what it is. So we're adding that in. We're gonna let that melt. I'm turning the heat off, okay? Turning the heat off. Then we're gonna add the lemon juice as well. We're just gonna stir this all in. All right. Okay, so far this has been really easy. The hardest thing has been stirring it, really. So y'all, I've got this going, and now what we gotta do is let this melt, and then we gotta let it cool. I know, we gotta let it cool a little bit before we add the strawberries. So we're gonna let this butter melt, keep stirring, let it cool, Then I'll come back and show you the next step. It's gonna be some good eating here in a little bit. The butter has all melted. This has cooled off a little. And now what we're gonna do is stir our beautiful, fresh from the field strawberries in right now. Yeah, we're gonna stir this in. Then we're gonna pour these babies up. Y'all are gonna be so happy with these pies. Oh, they're so good. Stir them up good. All right, let's load these up. Doesn't that look delicious? And what I like to do to get them even is I just do a dollop at a time per pie. That way I can make sure I'm not slighting any. Well, we'll do 2 on this one, then we'll do 2 on this one. Then we'll do 1 big one on this one. We just gotta make sure they're even. Or not, however you wanna do it. Look at that. Y'all are just gonna love this pie. This one looks a little empty. Y'all, these are just the 9-inch shells that are the crust. But heck, if you can only find an 8-inch one, get it. It won't matter. Okay, all right. Y'all look at these beautiful pies. So pretty. Let me kind of doll that up, spread it out, make sure everything's underneath the glossy finish. Now we're gonna pop these in the refrigerator, and right before we serve them, we will top it with some beautiful Cool Whip or whipped cream, whichever you have and whichever your people like. Let me doll this one up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna have some very happy people when they eat these fresh strawberry pies. And while you're waiting for it to cool, you get the little bit that's left in here and you get your strawberry and you do this. Look at that. That's the perk for being the cook. You know what this plate needs? A piece of my fresh strawberry pie, and it's ready. I had to wait and wait and wait. But here it is. This is what it looks like, all good and wonderful. So I'm gonna get me a slice and serve it up. Ooh. Oh, yum. So far, so good. Get me a good, beautiful piece. Oh, yeah. Look, y'all, perfect piece of pie. Put me a little Cool Whip on here, or whipped cream, whatever you want. And then just go to town eating your strawberry pie. Fresh strawberry pie. These strawberries were in the field this morning. Now they're in my pie. This is so good, y'all go make you one. Fresh strawberry pie. The good Lord loves you and I love you too. Let's go make some strawberry pie, people. Love and blessings to you.